Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing really well. In today's video I'm doing a little shop with me around Home Bargains. So I really like doing these because I'm just in there all the time anyway, so it is good to just go and see what is new, and I can show you guys anything that I spot. So yeah, I will jump straight into the video and show you everything. So I'm going to start with some of my favourites. They had some new cushions in, well, I hadn't seen them before. These really nice round ones I think would look really nice on a bed. I particularly like this silver one with the jewel in the middle. Loads of outdoor cushions as well, which are really reasonable for only $4.99, and they're a great size and obviously have the waterproof covers on them. And then the bigger ones are like $6.99, so I think they're a great price. Loads of different designs, loads of different colours, depending what your decor is like outside. I have bought one of these throws before as well, which are really nice quality. There is also loads of outdoor rugs, so loads of different designs and sizes, really reasonably priced for just $14.99. Some of these little artificial flowers in vases, there's a lot of choice in there, and there are some really pretty ones. I hadn't seen this before either, this mirror for a dressing table, and I think these three mirrors would be really nice in one of my boys' rooms actually. It didn't have a price on it though, so I'm not 100% sure how much it was. I love all of this bamboo glass serveware for the kitchen. It's very similar to the IKEA ones. I think these jars that are on stands would look really nice with some sweets on show in the kitchen, and I think this glass range that they have in Home Bargains looks really expensive, much more expensive than it is. I've bought these labels before. They are so good for just labeling up all your cleaning things in the kitchen. I also noticed that they had a new bath board, which I love my bath board. These baskets I have got in black actually. They're like a packet of 3 and I use mine in the kitchen. I think they're a really good decorative storage. This little gold bar is an absolute bargain for only $19.99, and I love these. These proper like Moroccan style trays for $6.99. I have bought one of these before as well. You might have seen it for $6.99, those artificial plants. But yeah, there is loads of gorgeous gold home accessories. I also bought this in my last haul, one of these vases that is only $2.99, and I just think it is such a nice shape and looks really expensive. They also have the silver sparkly trays in 2 different sizes, which I love. I am just drawn to this sparkly stuff like a magpie. And yeah, loads of artificial plants and terrariums. The glass timers I hadn't seen before, I think would make a nice shelf accessory. They had some of these, but I do think they're a little bit overpriced, like footstools for £30, around $29.99, and loads of different coloured velvet stools as well. It wouldn't go in my house at all, but I really love that green velvet colour. They also had some of the round ones in grey, and this royal blue storage footstool as well that I hadn't seen before. I love these plant stands. I think this was a really good price for one of those. I may get one of them. I think that they could be used indoor or outdoors. Also, these velvet round mirrors I keep seeing, they do them in different colours as well. And I always love the window style mirrors that they do in there because they are just such a good price. They're really light and easy to hang as well. All of this botanical bee range is just all so beautiful. I hadn't seen these lanterns before. These were $7.99. These are so cute, and there is different colours of those. There's also some big Buddha heads if you want one of those for your garden. I thought these were good as well. These like little coal buckets for $7.99. They've got all the wood and things in there as well if you have got a log burner. Also some trays for if you are doing barbecues. They used to do that one in black actually. They also have some buckets for like beer and cooling your drinks in. Loads of different paper plates and bunting for garden parties or barbecues. This range is quite nice as well. All of these picnic plastic bowls and cups and things. I really like the black design. More things with bees on. I just love all of this. These little tin mugs are really cute as well. They'd be great in like a little gardening hamper for somebody. Also, these are a real bargain. These little trays that are just $2.99, and these welcome signs with like this little eucalyptus design on it, and they light up as well. They would look so nice in the garden. There's also loads of little picnic accessories, so some nice picnic bags and coolers and things to keep like bugs off your food, like those nets. And this mud kitchen, how good would this be as a gift for a child? This is just £45. These are really cool. I thought these were good. These like little portable barbecues for £9.99. Also worth looking out for some of the clothing in Home Bargains. There is lots of like school socks and tights and pajamas, loads of different things for the kids. I thought these pink stripy ones were giving off serious Victoria's Secret vibes. There is some men's clothes as well, like loads of the Marvel and DC sort of loungewear trousers. So yeah, some good gifts, especially if you're thinking about Christmas time coming up. I think that is a good start for stocking fillers. I hadn't seen these before, but I just think they are so pretty. They are some napkins, and also they had a matching tablecloth as well. Just a really pretty design. For the garden, I noticed that there was a great priced bird feeder, so if you're looking for anything like that. And I always love the artificial topiary balls and plants. I have got the hearts. They stopped having them for a little while, but it's nice to see that they have got plenty back in again. But yeah, the topiary designs I just love. They also had some of these real Buxus ball plants as well for £9.99. I had a brief look, not that I bought any of it, at the fitness things, because there is just such a good range of different things in there. If you are into your exercise and keeping fit, then yeah, there is loads of bits in there. There's also loads of outdoor toys, just great for the summer holidays. These gliders I thought looked really cool. And the kids' bedding, I've noticed, is getting better and better. They had some really nice designs. I don't know how good a quality they are, because sometimes these things are quite thin, but they're £5.99, and yeah, they just had some really lovely designs. I hadn't seen these Zoflora products before. These like big spray bottles, I don't know if they're new, but they're new to me, so I just spotted those products on the end of an aisle. These I thought were quite good as well for just outdoors, just these footstools or bean bags. And then I had a little look at all the face masks, because they had some really cute ones, loads of different designs. I love putting things like these in gifts and in hampers, because I just think they are a nice little thing to add in. These are something that I get a lot from Home Bargains, because they are individually wrapped, the croissants and things. These are just really good for keeping in for the boys to put in their lunch boxes when they're at school, or just for on the go. But yeah, I quite like that they're individually wrapped. Looking at the candles, they have got a good range of those, but not as many as they used to have. Me and my friend was saying this, they don't seem to have as big a range, but I did think that these marble ones were really pretty for £1.49. I thought that was different. Some lovely little gift ideas as well. I feel like they're going to start getting a lot of the Christmas things in now. I showed this last time. I just think, I mean, I don't know what it smells like. It could be horrible, but I just think it looks really expensive and nice. And they had a lot of nice gift sets like hairbrushes. And yeah, definitely a good place to go at Christmas time. I'm in there even more at Christmas. Then they had some of these stackable jars, like they have the 3-tiered one and then the 2-tiered one. I just love all of their mugs that they do in there. I think they are so reasonably priced. You can get some really cute designs. They've got loads of Disney ones in as well, like all the different Disney princesses, which I know are really popular. The glass ones I love, and I have those myself. And yeah, that was pretty much everything that I spotted in my little trip to Home Bargains. So guys, that is going to be everything for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you're doing really well. If you've got kids that are off at the minute as well, I hope you're enjoying the summer holidays. Yeah, struggling to find things to do, I'm not going to lie. But it definitely helps when the sun is shining, which today it is. If you did enjoy this video, then it'd be great if you gave it a big thumbs up. And I would love to see you again for my next one. Bye everyone!